Today, sixth biology lecture. Today we will going to start the next point, ecological pyramids. First, the shape of pyramids. The shape of pyramids. The shape of pyramids was developed by the C. Elton in 1927. In 1927, the shape of the pyramid developed by the C. Elton in 1927, and this shape of the pyramid, at the base of the border, the base of the pyramid is the broad, and at the apex it is pointed. Just like at the base broad and the apex it is pointed. And on this, just like the triangle, and on this pyramid represent the various trophic level, or on this pyramid represent the various trophic level or the ecosystem. At the base represent the producer. This producer is the first trophic level. Then primary consumer. The another level is the primary consumer. This primary consumer is the second trophic level. Then third is the secondary consumer. It is the third trophic level. And the last one is the tertiary consumer. The fourth trophic level. This is the shape of the pyramids, and this shape of the pyramid developed by the C. Elton in 1927, and on this pyramid represent the various trophic level and these organisms. At the base represent the producer. These producers means the first trophic level. Then another one is the primary consumer. This primary consumer is the second trophic level. Then next is the secondary consumer. This secondary consumer, that is the third trophic level, and the last one at the apex represent the tertiary consumer. This tertiary consumer means the fourth trophic level. Then on this, then the definition of the ecological pyramids. The definition is the graphic representation of the relationship between the organism of various trophic level with respect of energy, biomass and the number. Means on this pyramids represent the various type of the organisms. Represent the various type of the organism and the trophic levels. And the calculation of the energy, biomass and the number of this organism at the each trophic levels, means how many numbers are present in the first trophic level of the producer, then how many numbers present in the second trophic level of the primary consumer, means then the biomass, how many biomass present in the primary in the producers in the first trophic level, then the second trophic level, then the third and the last one is the 4. And the energy, also energy is calculated in the each trophic level. This is the definition of the ecological pyramids. Graphic representation of the relationship between the organism of various trophic level with respect of energy, biomass and the number. This is the definition of the pyramid. The shape of the pyramid is the triangle shape at the base, broad base and the pointed apex, just like the inverted cone. Just like the inverted cone, and the shape of the pyramid is upright. This shape of the pyramid is the upright in shape. This is the definition and the shape of the pyramid. Then this pyramid, this ecological pyramids divided into the 3 types. Then the types of the pyramids. The type of the pyramids or the type of the ecological pyramids. There are the 3 types of the pyramid. First, the pyramid of number. First type is the pyramid of number. Then second is the pyramid of biomass. And third, pyramid of energy. There are the 3 types of the ecological pyramids. Then one by one we discuss the one by one. First is the pyramid of number. For example, this is the pyramid. This is the trophic level. First, second, third and fourth. Then producers, primary consumer, then secondary consumer, and last one is the tertiary consumer. The ecosystem is, for example, the grassland ecosystem. At the producers is the grassland ecosystem. In this grassland ecosystem, present the grass on the land. Then on this is the producers. Then on this producers depend the rabbit, then fox, then last one is the lion or the tiger. This is the ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, and this grassland ecosystem represent the various layers. Or at the base, the grass. This grass means the producers. The rabbit depends on this grass. This is the primary consumer. Then the fox depend on this rabbit. This is the secondary consumer. And the last one is the lion. This lion depend on the fox. This is the tertiary consumer. And in the type of the pyramid of number, in this type the calculation of the numbers means how many grasslands are present in the first tropic level. How many grassland present in the first tropic level? This grass is the many, large. Then on this grass depend the rabbit. Then the calculation of this primary consumer, how many number of the rabbits, how many primary consumers present in the second tropic level. This is less than the grass. Then the third tropic level, this is the secondary consumer, that is the fox, means how many fox are present in this grass ecosystem, grassland ecosystem. The number, how many numbers of the foxes present in the in this ecosystem. This numbers also less than the rabbit. Then last one, the tertiary consumer, means the fourth tropic level. This fourth tropic level, this tertiary consumers also less than the secondary consumer, means this numbers decreases in this pyramid, and hence the shape of the pyramids is the upright, and the numbers decreases at the each level, each tropic level. The numbers of the organisms decreases at the each tropic level, and hence the shape of this pyramid is the upright in shape. This is the one example of the number of pyramid of numbers. For example, grassland ecosystem. The another example is the tree, terrestrial ecosystem, or the tree. For example, on this tree various birds present, the various birds on the tree, means in the ecosystem, this graphic representation, the tree means the first tropic level, and this first tropic level this is the first tropic level and tree. Then on this tree the various type of the birds, means this is the second tropic level. This second tropic level is large than the first tropic level, and hence this type of the pyramid is the inverted. This type of the pyramid is, the shape of the pyramid is the inverted, because in this type of the pyramid the first producers, that is the first tropic level, is less than the second tropic level. For example, the tree, this is the single tree. On this single tree various type of the birds, and hence the second tropic level means the primary consumers are large than the producers, and hence this, then the shape of this pyramid is larger than the the shape of the pyramid is the inverted in shape. This is the pyramid of the numbers, means how the pyramid of the number, but the energy of the pyramids in this first number, the energy is always upright. The energy is always upright. The number of the organism is also decreased in the upright pyramid, and the inverted pyramid, the number increase, means there are the two type of the pyramids present in this first type of the pyramids, number of the pyramids, upright pyramids and also inverted pyramids, but the energy is always upright in the both pyramids, in the both shape of the pyramids. Upright pyramids energy also upright, means this rabbit eat the grass, then energy is transferred. The fox eat the rabbit, the energy is also transferred. Then lion eat the fox, then energy is also transferred to the next trophic level. But then in this second example, tree, in this pyramid, the energy is also upright. Means these birds eat the fruits or the plant leaves of the tree, and then energy is transferred from the first trophic level to the second trophic level. Means the energy is upright in the both shape of the pyramids, upright pyramids and the inverted pyramid, but numbers are different. This is the first type of the ecological pyramid, pyramid of number. Then second type, pyramid of biomass. Then second type is the pyramid of biomass, means how many biomass present at the each trophic level. The calculation of the biomass at the each trophic level. For example, this is the first trophic level, second, third and fourth. First trophic level, then second trophic level, then third trophic level, and last one is the fourth trophic level. Then producers, consumer, primary consumer, then secondary consumer, then tertiary consumer. Then for example, the grassland ecosystem, in this grassland ecosystem, the producers are the grass, then on this grass depend the mice, then snake, then owl. This is the another ecosystem, grassland ecosystem. Food chain. This is the grassland ecosystem, and in this grassland ecosystem, the another food chain. This food chain, for example, grass. On this grass depend the mice depend, this snake depends on this mice, and then the owl depend on the snakes. This is the another food chains in the grassland ecosystem. Then the second type of the ecological pyramid, that is the pyramid of biomass, means in this ecosystem calculated the biomass at the each trophic level. Calculated the biomass of the each trophic level, means in this first trophic level, that is the producer, means the grass, how many grass, how many mass present in the first trophic level. Then the second primary consumer, the how many biomass present at the second trophic level, then third trophic level, and last one is the fourth trophic level, means the calculated the biomass at the each trophic level. And in this pyramid, at the first trophic level, this biomass is large than the second trophic level, the less than the first trophic level, then the again less than the second tropic level, and the last one for the less than the third tropic level. Means this biomass is decreases in the each and every tropic level. The biomass decreases at the each and every tropic level, and hence the shape of this pyramid is upright. Shape of the pyramid is the upright in shape in the grassland ecosystem. Then the another example of this pyramid of biomass is the aquatic ecosystem. The first example is the grassland ecosystem, and the pyramid is the upright pyramid. Then second type is the inverted pyramids. For example, aquatic ecosystem. In this aquatic ecosystem, first tropic level is the producers, phytoplanktons. And then on this phytoplanktons depends the zooplanktons. This zooplanktons is the second tropic level. The zooplanktons is the first tropic level. Is the second tropic level. Is the producers and the primary consumer. Then this going on. Then in this aquatic ecosystem, the first tropic level, the producers, that is the phytoplanktons, various phytoplanktons present in the water, and then on this phytoplanktons depends the zooplankton. These zooplanktons quite large than the phytoplanktons, and then this pyramid of the shape in the aquatic ecosystem is the inverted shape of the pyramid. Is the inverted shape of the pyramids. This is the in this pyramid of biomass represent the two pyramids, upright pyramids and the inverted pyramid. Both pyramids are present in the pyramid of biomass. The shape of the pyramids, there are the two shape of the pyramids present in the pyramid of biomass, upright pyramids and inverted pyramids. Then the energy of this pyramid is also upright. The energy of pyramid is also upright because this mice eat the grass, means the energy is transferred from the producers to primary consumer. Then snake eat the mice, means the energy is also transferred, and this eat the snake, means this energy is also transferred from one tropic level to the next tropic level, means the energy is upright. In this upright pyramid, then the second is the inverted pyramids. In this inverted pyramid, this energy is upright because this zooplanktons depends on the phytoplanktons, means the zooplanktons eat the phytoplanktons, and this energy is transferred from the one tropic level to the another tropic level, means the energy is upright in these pyramids, means the biomass different in the two different pyramids. In this first, the biomass is decreases, and in the second pyramid the biomass is the increased in the second type of the pyramid. But the energy of the both pyramids is always upright. The flow of energy is upright. This is the second type of the ecological pyramid. Then last one is the pyramid of energy. energy. Then third type of the ecological pyramid is the pyramid of energy. Third type is the pyramid of energy. This pyramid of the energy, it is the third type of the pyramid, the Lindemann 10% law. In this third type of the pyramid, %10 law. First, discuss the Lindemann 10% law. And this Lindemann 10% law describe the energy transfer from one organism to another organism, or the one trophic level to the another trophic level is only 10%. If the first organism to second organism to third organism, the energy is transferred. For example, first trophic level, second trophic level, and the third trophic level, the energy is transferred. But this energy is transferred only the 10% energy is transferred from the first trophic level to the second trophic level, then second trophic level to the third trophic level. Only 10% energy is transferred from the one trophic level to the another trophic level. This is the law of the Lindemann 10% law. The example of the third type pyramid of energy. This is the sun, and this sun radiation is the 1 million Joule. 1 million Joule radiations reaches to the earth, but out of this 1 million Joule, only 1 million Joule means only 10,000 Joule energy stored in the first trophic level. And the producer means the green plants, in the process of the photosynthesis, only 10,000 Joule energy is used for the process of the photosynthesis. The out of the 1 million Joule, this 1 million Joule means the 10 lakh energy, and out of this 10 lakh energy, only 1% of the energy is used in the process of the photosynthesis by the producer, by the green plants. This 10,000 Joule in the first trophic level is used. Then the law, the Lindemann law, is it only 10% energy is transferred from the one trophic level to the another trophic level. Means in the second trophic level, then third trophic level, and last one is the fourth trophic level. Then only 10% energy is transferred. Means in this first trophic level, the 10,000 Joule energy is stored. This 10,000 energy is used in this photosynthesis process by the producers. And out of this 10,000, only 10% energy is transferred from this second trophic level. That is the 1,000 Joule energy is transferred from the first trophic level to the second trophic level. Then second trophic level to the third trophic level is the only 100 Joule energy is transferred. Then last one is the only 10 joule energy is transferred from the fourth tropic level, and then another tropic level only 1 joule energy is transferred, and this 1 joule energy is very negligible energy, and was 1 in this ecosystem only 4 to 5 tropic level is present in each ecosystem, because the energy is transferred from one tropic level to the another tropic level. Only the 10% energy is transferred, and at the fifth tropic level only 1 joule of the energy is present, and it is very negligible. And yes, in this tropic level present only the 4 to 5th tropic level. In each ecosystem present the only 4 to 5th tropic levels. Then the pyramid of energy. In this pyramid of the energy, also 10% of the energy is transferred from the one tropic level to the another tropic level, means the energy is decreased in the each tropic level. And as the shape of the pyramids is the upright shape. The shape of the pyramid is the upright shape. And in this type, in the third type of the pyramid of the energy, the inverted pyramid is not present, because the energy is transferred from one level to the another level. Upright position, it is not transferred from the inverted. And as in this pyramid, the only represent the upright pyramids.